Children, in this video I am going to tell you the factorization of algebraic expression by grouping the terms. Okay, here in this we will group up the terms and we will factorize it. Okay, so I have got this question: 2a plus 6b minus 3, in bracket it is a plus 3b whole square. Okay, so let's see how to factorize this given algebraic expression. This question seems to be hard, but it's quite easy to solve it. Okay, so first it is, the first two term is 2a plus 6b. Okay, so children, 6 can be written as 3 into 2, isn't it? So now we can take out this common terms, okay, which is common to this one common factor which is common to both the terms. So here 2, in this 2 is present, in this also, in the first term also 2 is present, so we will take 2 as common. Okay, and then we are left with a plus 3b. Okay, a plus 3b, then minus 3 a plus 3b whole square. Okay, now what we are going to do, here a plus 3b is there. Now we will be taking this 2 as one, this complete as one term and this as one term. Okay, now we will find out what is common in these two terms. So you can see that a plus 3b is present here in this, and here a plus 3b whole square is present, isn't it? So we can take a plus 3b, at least one a plus 3b can be taken as common. Okay, so then we are left with 2. In the first term 2 is left. Why? Because a plus 3b has been taken as common here. 2 minus 3, and in bracket a plus 3b. Why? Because out of this 2 a plus 3b, 1 a plus 3b has been taken as common. Okay, you can further solve it. A plus 3b, we can simplify it. Okay, 2 minus 3, minus 3 is multiplied with a, we will get minus 3, and minus 3 into 3b we will get as minus 9b. Okay, and this is the factorization of this given algebraic expression. Hope you understood it well, and kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button.